This is questions 35 and 38 in exercise 1.7 in Project Maths 3A. We have to solve for x in the following equations. So let's look at 35 first. We have x squared over 4 minus x over 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And it's going to be far easier for us if we can clear away our fractions in this before we do anything else. And the easiest way to do that will be to multiply each term in this equation by the lowest common multiple of the numbers that are beneath the line in each of our fractions. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2 is 4. So if we multiply each expression by 4, we're going to have 4 times x squared all over 4 minus 4 times x all over 2 minus 4 times 2 equal to 4 times 0. Now we do a bit of division. So starting from the left, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2, and there's no other division to be done on these, so what we're going to get left with now is 1 times x squared is x squared, and then we're going to have minus, and then 2 times x will be 2x, minus 4 times 2 is minus 8, and 4 times 0 is 0. Now we're going to factor this out. Because there's no number in front of our x squared, we can just go straight to our brackets like this. Our first term in each bracket are going to be factors of the first term in our quadratic, which is x squared, and they're going to be x and x. And our second term are going to be factors of minus 8 that sum to minus 2. So let's look at our factors of minus 8. We've got 1 times minus 8. We have minus 1 times 8. We've 2 times minus 4. And we have minus 2 times 4. And since we're looking to get to minus 2, we're going to choose plus 2 and minus 4. So it's going to be x plus 2, x minus 4. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take each of these brackets and set them separately equal to 0. So we say x plus 2 is equal to 0. And x minus 4 is equal to 0. And if we solve each of them out, we get x equals minus 2 and x is equal to 4. And those are our solutions to 35. Now 38 is going to be done in a similar manner. It just doesn't look quite the same. We still need to clear out our fractions to solve this. The question starts off, we got 1/4 x squared minus x is equal to 0. In order to clear out this fraction, because we only have 1, we're just going to multiply by the number that's on the bottom here. So it's going to multiply everything in this equation by 4. So we're going to have 4 times 1/4 x squared minus 4 times x equals 4 times 0. Well, 4 times 1/4 is 1, so we're just left with x squared. Minus 4 times x is minus 4x. And 4 times 0 is 0. Now we factorize out our expression to the left of our equal sign. Our highest common factor is x. So we have x times x minus 4, which is equal to 0. And then we set each of these two things that are being multiplied together and give us 0 equal to 0 separately. So we say x equals 0. And we say x minus 4 equals 0. And then if we solve out this bit on the right, we get x is equal to 4. So x equals 4 and x equals 0 are our solutions to this. And that is that.